Red and connect the number. Very good. What number is that?
1.
Oh, connect it to 1. The word 1. Very good. What is the next number? What number is that, Elisha?
2.
2. Then, connect it to the number word 2. Good job. What is the next number?
3.
3. Good job. Then connect it to the number word 3. Where is number word 3? Very good. What is the next number?
4.
4. Write it. Oh, trace it. And then, very good. Connect it to the word or number word 4. Very good. The last one is, what number is that?
5.
5. Connect it to the number word 5. Oh, trace the number 5 first. Very good. Now, you need to trace as well the number word. No, trace the number word here. Write this one. Write. It's okay na. You're done with that. Just trace it, okay? Spell, what? How do you spell 5? What letter is this?
5.
F.
I. C. A.
5. Oh, very good. Then write the number 5. Write it. You trace it. Go. Trace. Trace. I. And E. Very good. Oh, you finish everything, okay?